What's up? Today is Thursday and I am getting ready for a shoot. I just finished my makeup and I actually have a shoot and then a modeling gig later. It's gonna be like a long evening. This morning I went and got my oil changed and it is, oh my goodness, this week in Chicago is absolutely incredible. It's in the 80s, so while I was waiting to get my oil changed, I went and just walked around the neighborhood because it was a nice neighborhood that I was in. And I'm gonna do that more often, just kind of go to quiet neighborhoods, walk around that I know is safe. I got me my little chai tea from Starbucks and then found a bench and sat, listened to my music and just enjoyed the day, enjoyed like the moment. So anyway, luckily for both gigs today, they want me to come with my hair like styled the same way, which is just gonna be an easy curl. And then the first one wants me to do a nude lip, and then the second one wants me to do a fuchsia lip. So I went to Walgreens yesterday and got me some fuchsia lipstick, which I'm probably never ever gonna wear again. I'll make sure to take you guys along with me today as much as I can, as much as I'm allowed to. Got my hair all styled. I am gonna spray the Chi Royal Treatment Rapid Shine. I'm surprised I still have like a little tiny bit left, but it smells good and it's gonna add some shine. And I am going to spray, I did order this. This is Baccarat Rouge 540. And what I do as opposed to buying the $300 model is that I get a little sample from Etsy. You only need just a spritz or two. So I'll have this seller linked below. The first seller that I bought it from is no longer selling it. This bottle is a little smaller than the last one that I had. The last one that I had was this one, so it literally lasted me all year. So I bought it last year. Maybe even, no, I bought it almost 2 years ago, so I just finished it. This one was like the biggest size they had available, but let's see. Make sure it still smells how it should. Yep. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, definitely linking it below. I think I paid like $20–30 for it as opposed to $300. But let me put on my clothes and let's get out of here because I got all of 1 minute to leave. Just finished gig number 1 and it went really good. I was low-key dreading this one too because it was another e-commerce, and just e-commerce is a lot. But it was only a 2-hour shoot, but we finished 30 minutes early, and then there was another model there who I knew, so it went by a lot smoother than what I thought. So I was praying that for today because I was low-key dreading the 2 gigs for today. Not that they're hard or anything, I just didn't feel like being bothered. It's just some days it's like that. But today is so beautiful, and so far like everything has been working out well, so I'm just going to try to maintain that momentum to get me through the second gig. I need to eat something. I'm not hungry, but I know I'm going to just like immediately get hungry as soon as my next shoot starts. I have to be there at 5:30 and it is now 3:41. But I can't figure out what I want to eat. I'm doing such a good job eating healthy and I want to do something healthy, but so let me try to figure that out because I might go home so I'm not sitting in the car for like another hour and a half about. But let's figure out what we're gonna eat and then head to gig number 2. So of course Got the tried and true Chipotle. Then we're getting 2 chicken tacos and the chips and queso. And the girl tries to play with the queso. I don't know why they don't fill a little queso up in the cup when you have to pay an extra $3 for it. So of course she had an attitude and I asked her to like put more in there, but whatever. And then I am actually watching The Circle, season 4. My friend Abby also put me onto the show, but I love the show. So let me eat, relax. I told myself I was gonna juice, but I'm like, Sierra, like calm down, just take it easy. So I do need to juice though, so I might try to do that later tonight or sometime tomorrow. I don't even think she put more in here. Like she played like she tried, and a part of me wants to go back over there. You gotta pick your battles. Should I do it? I don't know. I just don't feel like going back over there. I decided to not give myself the headache, but next time I go, I'm definitely gonna complain. About to head out. I had to put on this fuchsia lip. This one is by Maybelline, and it is in the number 410, called Party Goer. But let's head over to gig number 2. Here's a really quick outfit of the day. Wearing my Joa Brown top that I wear all the time for my modeling gigs. I have on my Mason Margiela jeans, which I also wear all the time. These shoes from Zara, they're last season. Ended up actually ordering these off of eBay because they sold out by the time I was trying to purchase them. So somebody bought them and was reselling them. And then this bag I'm obsessed with. I recently got, it's I want to say it's a German Japanese brand, but don't quote me exactly. But it's just like the cutest little bag ever. And I'll make sure to have a link below what I can. Let's head out. All right, made it home. It is 10 o'clock and I am ready to knock out. I have work in the morning. This gig went good because I ended up doing it with the girl that I shot with a few weeks ago, which I showed in a couple videos ago. But she was amazing. She made this night go by so much better because, again, like I said, I was dreading tonight. But I can finally take off these heels and just relax. But let me get ready for bed. I cannot wait to take this lipstick off. I'm over it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next one.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work